Hello everyone, this is Brett Deshawn. Thank you for joining. This is my Morgan 454, preparing her to sail around the world this November 2023. As you can see, she does need a little bit of work, but that's something we're going to take care of here in the next several months, including this crack at the front. We're going to fiberglass that. We're going to remove the rub rail, and in the next several videos we're going to go step by step how we do this, and I ask that you please join us. Thank you so much.